This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the picture settings so you can fix brightness precisely. With the TV warmed up, press Settings, then All Settings, then Picture. This ensures measurements are stable. Once done, check which picture mode is active and write it down so you can compare. You're taking control now, don't switch modes randomly. Make sure ambient light detection or auto brightness is off so manual changes take effect. This prevents the TV from undoing your adjustments while you work. Next, choose a neutral mode like Cinema or Expert to get an accurate baseline, because standard or vivid modes often boost brightness unnaturally. Then adjust backlight first to control overall luminance, followed by brightness for black level and contrast for whites. Tweak increments of 5 until shadow detail is visible but blacks remain deep. Once done, use a test image or a known scene and step back. This helps you see banding or crushed blacks and confirm the balance between dark and bright areas. Finally, fine-tune by comparing dynamic contrast and local dimming on versus off. These can wash out or deepen brightness, so pick what preserves detail. Save your adjustments to a custom picture mode so you can restore them quickly. If the screen still appears too dim after these steps, make sure power saving and eco modes are off, verify HDMI input settings and cable, and test another source. If brightness remains low, the backlight or panel may be failing, and you should consider professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.